My name is Bob. There was an accident on Interstate 40 and traffic had stopped, and I came to the rear, stopped, put my flashers on, and I got rear-ended by another semi. Thrown pretty hard up against the door, hit the side window, and put a cut across my forehead, twisted my leg. My company was very uncooperative. I told them I'd lost wages, I had property damaged that was in the truck, and they told me to call my homeowner's insurance. They didn't really want to get involved with it. She handled all the legal aspects, the contacts, the negotiations. I came over, signed some papers, and she did the work. I'm happy with it.